Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change a tail light on a Porsche 944. I have that one, and obviously this one's a little worse for wear. So you're going to need an 8mm deep, not as shallow, and you have a bolt there, right here, right there in the corner, and finally, right there. Take them off. Plastic here, it's supposed to be a Torx, but it's plastic. You just take it out and take off your cover here. That one's not looking great. Correction on both videos, it is 6 screws. There is a 6th 8mm deep right under there, and it's in such a bad spot I can't get the camera down there. So what you want to do very gently is stick a flathead in here and kind of just move it until, kind of just lightly push it out until the headlight starts to move, like so. Obviously, be a little careful with the paint. I'm being very gentle, and I don't really care that much because obviously this paint is perfect. Okay, so tutorial. So what you're going to do next is clean up the surface, because then it goes in easier. I'm also going to try and save this seal if I can. Alright, so tighten things up, check your connections. So I tighten this up, put that seal back together, and let's start putting these 8s back in. Once you get it in, kind of just loosely thread your 8s in so it holds, and then tighten down. Pretty standard. What is this? Is this rust? Oh! That's Bondo. Yep. That's all Bondo with some paint on it. That's good. Last but not least, plug in your 2 connectors here and there, and you're done. So now I'm just gonna put all of this stuff back. I hope you enjoyed the video, and our new to me, used light is in. I hope you liked the video. Leave a like, favorite, and subscribe.